key can be modelled very easily and is a great introduction to the Sweep Boss Base feature. So we start off by opening a new part file and open a sketch on our top plane. For the Sweep Boss Base feature, we will first have to draw the path of the sweep and then the profile of the sweep. So we'll draw the path first, which will just be a line, 2 lines, and we'll dimension these in proportion to a normal Allen key. So 20mm and 60mm. We can sketch a fillet then on the corner here. We'll keep that radius of 2mm. So that's the path finished. And next we can sketch the profile of our Allen key. So to do that, we have to open a sketch on the front plane and look normal to it. And a polygon, so 6-sided polygon at the origin. And dimension it, so the distance is here of 4mm. The sketch is still underdefined, so to define it, what I'm going to do is I'm going to make the top and bottom point vertical, using the vertical relation. Now the sketch is fully defined and we can exit the sketch. So now in our feature toolbar we can select the Sweep Boss Base feature, and it has automatically selected the second sketch as our profile. So select the path box and select the sketch. As we can see here, we are given a preview of what our object will look like. Click OK. So there we have our completed Allen key. Very simple project and a great introduction to the Sweep Boss Base feature.